Perfect.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Gould's Gaming and Tech channel. And today we got a little special little treat. We have the 2021 MacBook Pro. I believe this is the 13-inch display, 13 inches diagonally. But yeah, I needed a new computer, man. The MacBook I had before, I'm telling you, the space on there was crappy. That thing was like years and years and years old, to the point where I could only upload and edit one video at a time. And it was too much stuff on there to go through to try to figure out what was what. I wanted to factory reset it, but I couldn't, so I'm starting fresh. So before we get into it, you know we are on the race to 1,000 subscribers. Yes, 1,000 subscribers. You know we're trying to hit that by June. So if you're watching this video, please, the support, I'm telling you, it definitely helps the channel. Scroll down, hit the subscribe button. It's free. It don't cost you nothing. It might take you a little time to press your finger on the subscribe button, but that's it. You're not gonna get a paper cut, nothing like that. It's free. Hit the subscribe button. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If not, thumbs down. It is what it is. Comment, hit the bell for notifications. So we're gonna go into some specs real quick. All right, so they got a silver and a space gray one. The price on them is $12.99 and $14.99. This is the $12.99 one. You got that Retina display. Like I said, this is a 13.3 inches diagonally. The chip, it has the Apple M1 chip, so this thing is supposed to be super duper fast. So hopefully when I'm editing videos, uploading everything, hopefully everything is smooth like butter, because that's what I was looking for. The battery and the power is up to 17 hours wireless. So if I charge this thing up all the way, allegedly, it's supposed to give me about 17 hours. Who knows if I'm actually gonna get that. It is what it is. The memory is an 8 GB of unified memory, which is comparable to 16 gigabytes, I guess. But the storage on it, I got the 256 gig one. I didn't really need the 512 gigs, but hopefully I don't find out later that I actually needed that one. I don't think that's gonna be the case, but we'll see. Charging, same as always. You charge it, it works, you use it. It has a headphone jack, which I'm very surprised it has. The keyboard and the trackpad is backlit with the Magic Keyboard with the the usual touch bar, touch ID sensor. That's cool. I haven't had that before. Ambient light sensor, 4 arrow keys. That's normal. Force touch trackpad, normal. Has Wi-Fi, Bluetooth. The camera, nothing special. 720p FaceTime HD camera. So we're gonna get into it now. Where did I put my knife? Hold on. Let me find my knife. There's my knife. My knife right here. So we're gonna try to open this up really quick. Like I said, I got this from Best Buy. I'm trying not to cut my finger. And there we go. Woo, fancy. So we're gonna open this. Oh, and this is what you get in the box. But this is, yeah, I guess this is a space gray one, not the silver one, which I like this. This is nice. What you got in the box? You got some Apple Troll stickers as always. They gotta let you know you're using an Apple product. Thank you, Apple. You have your charging brick. It's typical, standard, but it has the USB Type-C. And this is the USB Type-C, the USB Type-C. Put that down. Oh my gosh, this thing was already on. What is this? This is crazy. They didn't even turn the dang thing off. Jeez, they are not trying to let me have the experience of opening a new Apple product. They just left the damn thing on. Anyway, some key differences I noticed from my previous one and the one I had, this one. This trackpad is way larger than the one I had before. I forget what year the previous one was. I think I had a 2015, somewhere close to there, but it's super outdated, obviously. Didn't have any of this up here, none of this tracking stuff. The build quality, this seems pretty heavier. I don't know if I had the Pro on my old one or not.
Contains a built-in screen reader called VoiceOver.
Oh my gosh.
How to use VoiceOver. Press the Command key while you press Touch ID 3 times at the right end of the touch bar. To learn how to use VoiceOver.
Lady, I don't care. Anyways, so it's definitely less bezel on this one. Let me put it in the screen. It's definitely less bezel on this one than the previous one I had. This is way more slimmed down. But the main thing I noticed is like the weight. That's probably like the biggest thing. And it's touch stuff up here and the bigger touchpad. So I'm gonna put some of my info in and then we're gonna boot it up. Like I said, it's just an unboxing, so I'm not gonna go too deep into it. All right, guys, welcome back. We are booted up. The screen looks pretty fresh. Like I said, the previous computer I had was years old, so everything is gonna look pretty refreshed on here. The Retina display is very good. All the apps look pretty colorful and fresh. Let me open this up a little bit. All the apps look pretty colorful and fresh. I love this clean, nothing on here desktop look, because I definitely did not have that on the previous one. Battery's at 95%, that's good. Let me see. Does that do anything? Oh, that's a quick little lock. And then you got Siri here. What's up, Siri?
I'm not sure I understand.
Yeah, whatever. We're gonna get you right later. Don't worry. You don't worry. Okay, so this is all touch. You don't have to like physically press down on it. You just touch it. It'll do it. Oh my gosh, look at all this touchiness. I love this. This is nice. Anyways, so this is all touchscreen display. That's pretty cool. Let's see, what's this? Snap to grid? What's that? I didn't do anything. Okay, go back. Boom, I don't have anything available. Boom, exit. Boom. All right. So, yeah, man, that's about it. Oh, wait a minute. Everything is pretty straightforward. The launch pad, everything's pretty much set up like the previous one. So I'm gonna customize this thing, do my thug thizzle on it, let y'all know what I think about it after probably months of me using it, doing videos, whatever I'm doing with it, and I'll let y'all know how it is. But this is just an unboxing. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. As always, like I said, you guys showing support, I definitely appreciate it. Subscribe, like, share, comment, hit that bell for notifications. I'll see y'all in the next video. And if you're watching this video, make sure you tune in on YouTube on Friday for my free game Friday special hitting at 9 p.m. Friday night. It's gonna be lit. Everybody gonna be in there. We're gonna be chilling. As always, I'll see y'all in the next video. Let's get it!